Understanding Digital Currency, a simple guide for learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and increasingly relevant topic, digital currency. Whether you're a beginner in English or an advanced learner, this video will help you understand what digital currency is, how it works, and why it's important in today's world. So, let's get started. Digital currency is a form of money that exists only in the digital world. Unlike traditional currencies like dollars or euros, digital currencies are not physical. They don't exist as coins or notes. They are stored and transferred electronically, usually through the internet. Digital currencies can be used for buying goods and services online, and sometimes in physical stores too. There are two main types of digital currency: cryptocurrency and central bank digital currency, CBDC. Cryptocurrency is decentralized, meaning it isn't controlled by any government or institution. The most famous example is Bitcoin. Cryptocurrencies use blockchain technology to ensure security and transparency in transactions. Central bank digital currency, CBDC, on the other hand, is a digital form of a country's fiat currency and is regulated by the country's central bank. It's like having digital dollars or euros. Digital currencies operate using advanced technology. For cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology is key. A blockchain is a digital ledger that records all transactions made with a cryptocurrency. It's secure and transparent, making it difficult to counterfeit or manipulate. For CBDCs, the operation is more similar to traditional banking but in a digital format. They often use different technologies than cryptocurrencies and are closely monitored by the central bank. Digital currencies offer several advantages. Ease of transaction. Digital currencies make online transactions fast and easy. Lower transaction costs. They often have lower fees compared to traditional banking. Inclusivity. Digital currencies can be accessible to people without traditional bank accounts. However, there are also challenges. Volatility. Cryptocurrencies can be highly volatile, meaning their value can change rapidly. Security risks. While blockchain is secure, digital wallets and exchanges can be vulnerable to hacking. Regulatory challenges. Governments are still figuring out how to regulate digital currencies effectively. That's all for our video on digital currency. We hope this has been an informative journey for you. Understanding digital currency is vital in our increasingly digital world, and we're glad to have shared this knowledge with you. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.